10,000 years ago, humans gave pizza to visitors from another world. Now, they're back.
Coordinates set for planet pizza. Earth?
And this time we want the secret recipe.
Uh-oh, these aliens look suspicious. Maybe they're here to take over the Earth. Where is it? I don't know. Oh, yes! We found it. It's the secret pizza recipe. Now, how do we cook? Take the laser beam.
Humans, help us, please.
Wait, you're not here to attack?
We just want pizza?
Oh, really?
We can help you.
Here you go.
Thank you. Hey, you guys should come to our planet. Would you want to come?
Yes! And so, humans and aliens enjoyed the most delicious pizza in the galaxy.
VRAcademi. Empowered minds shaping tomorrow.